Hey there! In this video, I will show you some easy steps of adding an image grid layout by using Move Addons Image Grid widget. An image grid is a pattern consisting of horizontal and vertical lines, usually forming squares, that are used to contain images. It's an efficient element to organize images superbly. With this fantastic image grid widget, you can create sensational and spectacular image grids without any difficulty. This widget allows you to make image grids of multiple styles. Let's start by searching Widget from the search box. Hold the image grid widget, which has a move badge, and then drag it to this section. Okay, now you can see 3 columns are already given by default. You can add more columns. Just click this button and select however many number of columns you want. Now click on the first button. Select the type of image from this drop-down menu. And you can add a catchy title here. To upload the image, click here. Select the photo from the media gallery. If you want to upload a file from your device, click on the Upload Files tab. Now, select the file and click on the Insert Media. Now let me show you the additional options. To change the number of columns of an image, click on this drop-down and choose the right one. To change the image size, click here. Multiple image sizes are already given. You can even add customized image sizes from here. Check out the Style tab or the Advanced tab for further customization. And your first image is now ready. Just repeat the same process for all your other images. Hopefully, now you can create an excellent image grid section for your website. If you have any questions or suggestions on the image grid widget, please let us know in the comment box.